In this video, you will learn two different ways you can search the library catalog to find items in languages other than English. To get to the catalog, open your favorite web browser and visit the library website at www.fresnolibrary.org. Internet Explorer is not recommended. Once you have reached the site, you can find our catalog by going to the Browse drop-down menu and clicking on Catalog. One way to find items in another language is to do a basic search and then go to the Limit Search Results panel to the left side of your results screen. There you can filter the search to the specific language you need. Once you've found the Limit Results menu, click on the Languages drop-down and then select the language you're looking for. Only a few languages may initially appear in the list, but you can see the rest of the languages available by clicking on More or View All. To select the language, click on the box next to it, and then click the Include button so that the search results are narrowed to this language. If you're looking for specific items available in a language, you can use other menus and fields on the Advanced Search page to indicate that. For instance, if we want to find Spanish language books about cats, we can go to the Format Type drop-down menu and select Books, choose Spanish as the language, type cats into the box labeled Subject, and then click the Advanced Search button. When searching, you may sometimes see items in English appear among your results. This sometimes happens with video items, such as movies, because they can be played with dialogue or subtitles in languages other than English. For even more tips, please check out our earlier tutorials on searching the catalog and requesting items. If you need assistance, please call 600-7323 or contact your local branch librarian. They'll be happy to help.